This is Greg Spooner's Rattle and Bang pickup. This little Ford pickup was built way back in 1933, making this old girl 88 years old. Now that's pretty cool to think this original body shell and interior has managed to get through a World War, a Great Depression, endless amounts of miles slaving as a workhorse before finding its way to New Zealand. Luckily, it was saved from a restorer and had a small block Ford Mustang 302 dropped into it. Surprisingly enough, it is actually still pretty original, hence the name Rattle and Bang. There are still areas of the original factory green paint when painted in the Dearborn, Michigan factory in Detroit. Now, that's pretty cool. She's no speed demon or hard out cornering rocket. She's a cool old school cruiser to wander along and enjoy the scenery, just like the era it was first built in. Although, with that small block sitting up front, it can still boogie when it needs to. She still has the original 33 steering box, no power steering or power assist brakes, so Greg still gets the old style man-handling driving sensation when out cruising, and that oh feeling of drum brakes we never forget. But this is what the truck is all about, like cruising the streets in American Graffiti, just looking for cheeky fun and mischief.